Today I'm going to teach you how to compare items in your Amazon cart. This is a really useful feature when you want to make sure you're getting the best deal or the right product before completing your purchase. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will give you access to your account and cart where all your saved items are stored. After logging in the upper right toolbar, click Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can see all the items you've added. This is where the comparison process begins, allowing you to evaluate your choices before making a final decision. Now navigate to the item you want to compare. Take a moment to find the specific product you're unsure about or want to explore alternatives for. This step is important because it sets up the comparison feature to show you similar options. Once you've found the item, click Compare with similar items next to the item you want. This button is specifically designed to pull up alternatives that match your selected product. It's a quick way to see what else is available without leaving your cart or starting a new search. After clicking, you will see all the similar items like customer ratings, price, shipping, sold by, and other information similar to that item. Amazon displays these details side by side, making it easy to spot differences in quality, cost, and seller reputation. This overview is incredibly helpful for making an informed decision without having to click through multiple product pages. Take your time to review all the items. If you find one that's more cheaper yet quality, click Add to Cart. This way you're not only saving money but also ensuring you're getting a product that meets your standards. The comparison tool helps you balance budget and quality effortlessly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to compare items directly from your Amazon cart, making your shopping experience smarter and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.